Welcome viewers. In this video I'm going to do a U-joint, and there's probably about 10,000 other videos on YouTube doing U-joints, but hey, it'll be 10,001 now. I've got a Dodge here, 3500. Oh, actually I think this is a 2500. The front U-joints are bad. You can see here the cups on two of them here were gone. The needle bearings were gone. So they actually got me some Dodge U-joints. We'll put one in. I probably should have filmed pulling the old one out, but I didn't. But we'll put one in for you. And these are not greasable. So it's OEM, non-greasable. So I've got my yokes cleaned up. I put a little bit of oil in here already. I like to put oil in the yoke. Make sure these cups slide in good. We'll start off by sticking the U-joint in here. We'll put one cup on one side. Alright, now I like to push the cup in a little bit further than what it needs to be. So this first C-clip will firmly plant in there. The C-clip goes in this groove. And then I push the joint out about halfway. I want to make sure these needles don't get pinched when I put the other cup in. And when this is pressed in, I'm wiggling it to make sure there's no tension, nothing gets pinched. Let's press this side in. Then we'll put this C-clip in. Now it's going to be tight because I pressed it too far. Now I need to knock this cup back up. I'm just going to hit on the yoke up here. Just like that. We'll make sure the side's seated. It was nice. Now we're going to do the other two on the inner portion of the axle. So I've knocked these cups back in, smashed them against these C-clips. Okay, let's put some oil in here. Once again, I've pushed the cup in a little too far. The C-clip will go in nice and easy. And seat. Same thing, we're going to push the U-joint out a little bit. Make sure this starts in there good. Just like that. My Milwaukee stopped working for a second. Okay, let's press this other cup in. Put the C-clip in. It's bound up that way. We'll take care of that. So we need to knock this cup back out that way. And then we'll pound on the yoke here to drive this cup that way and seat this clip. There you go. Nice and free. Just like it should be. Simple as that. The key to doing these is need this all clean. You don't want gravel or anything getting in these little needle bearings. So there you have it. See you in the next video.